Mommy and Daddy yun. Love you so much. Punta ka SY to
35th anniversary, Mommy La and Daddy Lodge.
Yay! Love you, Miss Love.
We love you.
Gusto ko dito.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. May you have many more.
Ilang
God
taon na
bless
yan?
you all.
35.
35 lang.
35! Wow!
Happy wedding anniversary, Nigel and Arlene. 35 years showbiz.
Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I love you, Arlene and Nigel. Love you sa inyong dalawa.
Happy 35th wedding anniversary, Tita Arlene and Uncle Nigel.
Wishing you all the best in life. Love you. Happy anniversary, Mommy and Uncle. Thank you so much for everything.
Stay strong.
Stay in love. We love you. Love you. Love you. Yay! Yay!
Happy 35 wedding anniversary, Tita Arlene and Uncle Nigel. Ingat po palagi, I love you.
Happy wedding anniversary, Uncle and Mommy Ai.
May this milestone bring you even more precious moments, endless happiness, and same deep connection that has carried you this far.
Here's to many more years of love and making beautiful memories together.
Love, love, love!
Hi.
Today we are sending our warmest and heartfelt wishes and greetings to one of our close to our hearts because they are celebrating their wedding anniversary. Their love story is very inspiring and one of our favorite love story.
Hello, Mommy and Uncle. Happy 35th wedding anniversary.
I love you, Nang Nang. I love you, Nang Nang.
Hello, sister. Happy 35 years of love, commitment, and beautiful memories. Cheers to a marriage that inspire everyone around you. Happy anniversary, sis. Kuya.
Tita, happy anniversary po.
Happy anniversary po. Ingat po kayo.
Love you, sis.
Happy ika-35 wedding anniversary po, Uncle and Mami Arlene. Enjoy lang po lagi sa buhay at huwag niyo pong pababayaan yung sarili niyo dyan. And lagi po kayo mag-iingat sa bawat biyahe niyo. Pagdadasal ko po araw-araw na safe po kayo makauwi. Ayun lang. Basta message lang po ako sakaling may kailangan po kayo, may ipautos po kayo. Anytime po, tatakbuhin ko po agad yan basta kayo po mag-utos. Ayun lang. I love you.
Happy
35th wedding anniversary.
my dear Arlene and Nigel. Enjoy your day to the fullest. I love you both. From Michael, Mike, and
Nigel and Arlene, happy 35th wedding anniversary. God bless you more with happiness, togetherness, and love.
Dear Nigel and Arlene, happy 35th wedding anniversary. May God bless you with more blissful years of togetherness. May you be continually blessed for your generosity and kindness to your family and your extended families here in the Philippines.
Hi, Nigel and Arlene. Kamusta na kayo? Nakakatuwang malaman na ganun na kahabang inyong pagsasama. 35 years na pala. Nagulat ako. Bagay hindi nakakagulat yon kasi from the start talaga na inintroduce mo si Nigel sa amin, nakita ko na kaagad na talagang sincere siya na he will marry you, will come back and marry you. and true to his promise, he come back. And now, it's already your 35th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary to you. God bless and continue being a generous couple.
Hello, Nigel and Arlene. I wish both of you happy 35th wedding anniversary. May the coming years bring you more adventures and more memorable moments. Cheers to the one of the best married couple I know. God bless you more because you always share your blessings to everyone. Enjoy your celebration!
Happy 35th wedding anniversary, Nigel and Arlene.
Hi ate, hi kuya. Happy anniversary and I hope na marami pang anniversary sa celebrate ninyo. God bless you both and enjoy. Bye!
Hi Arlene, hi Nigel. I just arrived here at the Naga City and will pray for your wedding anniversary. Take care always.
Hi Arlene, happy 35 wedding anniversary.
Thank you for everything, Lid.
Thank you. Hi.
Hello po tita and uncle. Happy 35 wedding anniversary. And then wish ko lang po is palaging healthy at palagi pong mag-iingat. See you soon sana, family ulit magkita-kita one day. Yun lang po. And then ingat palagi.
Hi Uncle, hi Tita. Happy 35 wedding anniversary. I love you both and miss you both. Love you. Mwah.
Hi Tita and Uncle. Binabati ko kayo ng happy 35 years anniversary. Naway magtagal pa kayo. Translate na lang ni Ante. And yun, thank you sa lahat. Yeah, from your pinapoging pamangkin. At ang iyong pinapoging apuhan sa Ken. Ingat palagi. Take care and we love you so much from Capistrano Farm.
Love you.
Hi, Uncle and Tita. I just want to congratulate you both on the 35th anniversary. And I wish you good health, more blessings, more years to come, and I love you both.
Happy 35th wedding anniversary, Tita and Uncle. Wishing you love, joy, and countless beautiful moments together. Ingat po kayo lagi. Love you.
Congratulations on 35 wonderful years together. You are truly an inspiration to us all.
Happy anniversary! Congratulations on your 35th wedding anniversary, guys. Happy anniversary. I love you.
I hope you have a lovely time celebrating this special day. Congratulations.
Bye.
Hi Lola, hi Grandad. I just wanted to wish you a happy 35th anniversary. I love you guys.
Hey there, Marlene. Happy 35th wedding anniversary. Can't believe it's been 35 years. Much love. Here comes.
Love you. See you in another 35.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat mga boss. Mayroon lang po tayong babatiin. Walang iba kundi sina Uncle Nigel at Ma'am Chrissy Viking Girl. Happy 35 years anniversary sa inyong dalawa. More blessing, lalo pang tatagal ang inyong pagsasama. Ingat, enjoy, and God bless. Bye-bye!
Hello everyone! Especially to all Team Gapangan. So gusto ko lang pala batiin ng happy 35th anniversary to Ninang Crazy Baking Girl at Uncle Nigel. So ayan, happy wedding anniversary to you both. Gusto ko lang pala sabihin sa inyo na salamat sa lahat ng suporta niyo sa amin at sa lahat ng Team Gapangan. At ayun, ingat po kayo dyan lagi Ninang and Uncle. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta sa channel ko at syempre sa lahat ng nakapalibot. Ayun lang, ingat lang po kayo lagi dyan at syempre sana i-bless pa kayo palagi ni Papa God. So ayan, ingat po kayo. See you soon! See you soon, Ninang!
Hi, Ma'am Crazy Baking Girl and Sir Nigel. Happy 35 wedding anniversary po. Sana po kayo na ang forever.
Hello! Meron tayong babatiin ngayon guys na magsi-celebrate po ng kanilang 35th wedding anniversary. Siyempre wala nang iba ang malapit sa aking puso, malapit sa puso ng aming team and also malapit sa puso ng lahat. Kapag nakilala nyo to guys, wala nang iba ang aking my mom, Arlene, Crazy Baking Girl, and also my dad, Nigel Phillips. Happy 35th wedding anniversary. Isa ito sa inspirasyon ko na hoping na ganito rin yung aking mapapangasawa na umabot ng 35th wedding anniversary. Yan, syempre napakatatag. Yan ang gusto ko rin na mangyari din sa akin, kaya isa itong inspirasyon ang pagsasamahan nyo, pagmamahalan nyo, and syempre pagsuporta and respeto sa bawat isa. And syempre I'm so happy na nakilala kita and nakilala ko po kayo. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa suporta na binibigay nyo sa akin and also sa ating team. Ayan, once again, hindi ko na maabain, baka maiyak pa ako. Happy 35th wedding anniversary, my mom, my dad. Ayan, always keep the love burning. Ayan, sana all. And thank you and see you soon. Ayan, my mom, my dad, thank you and God bless po.
Hello all viewers and to my Team Gapangan, Ninang, Ninong, Igso at mga langga, mabuhay. Happy 35 wedding anniversary to a wonderful couple, and Ninong, Nigel and Ninang Crazy Baking Girl. It's truly inspiring the love you share and wishing you both the lifetime of happiness. Congratulations and I love you both.
Happy 35th anniversary, Crazy Baking Girl, Uncle Nigel. Stay healthy, more blessings, more travel, and keep safe. Happy anniversary.
What's up, man? Hi, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Saan man sa sulok ng mundo, andito na naman si Papa Vic. Yo. Andito na naman si Papa Vic at may babakalagiin na naman si Papa Vic ng 35 years anniversary. Wow, congrats Ninang, Crazy Baking Girl and Ninong Nigel. Oo, magsama kayo hanggat gusto nyo. At grabe, no? Mga pagsubok sa buhay talagang sinasagasaan nyo. Bawat isa sa inyo para lang lagpasan ninyo ang mga hamon sa buhay. At yun ay kayo ay nagsama ng masaya. At marami pang pagsasama na sumasaya lalo ng buhay. Ayan, thank you so much Ninong Nigel and Ninang Crazy Baking Girl. Salamat and congrats sa 35 years anniversary. I love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Love you all.
Wow, grabe. 35 years. Ang tagal nun. Naku, I want to greet happy anniversary sa pinakamamahal namin na ano ba tawag? Mom and Dad. Pinakamamahal namin na Mommy and Daddy sa Team Gapangan. And walang iba po ito, of course, si Crazy Baking Girl at saka si Uncle Nigel. So happy anniversary guys, 35 years. I wish I can ano ba nag-English pa. I wish I could reach that same level na makahanap din ako ng partner in life and umabot din ng 35 years. Yeah. Pero baligtad, parang nangyayari 35 years na paghahanap. Anyway guys, it's about you. Happy birthday. Stay strong. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. We always pray for you. We love you guys. Kung pwede lang na if we could live right next to you, ako gagawin talaga namin yun. And happy anniversary. Stay awesome. Yeah.
Hello Uncle Nigel and Loli. A very happy 35th anniversary to both of you guys. Yan, sana'y marami pang years na magkasama kayo na full of love and happiness of course. Ayan, sana'y makita tayo muli. Wish you so much guys. I love you. Happy anniversary.
Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite sa akin sa pagbati sa anniversary ni Ma'am Chrising Baking Girl at si Sir Nigel sa 35 anniversary wedding po. Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite at saka wish ko lang po always masaya sila at malayo po sila sa anumang uri ng kapahamakan at always happy lang po Mari. Maraming salamat po sa pag-invite sa akin. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa aking inaanak kahit hindi ako maka-active sa ating Team Gapangan dahil po ngayon hindi na ako sa abroad. Mas busy pa ako dito sa Pilipinas kaysa doon sa abroad dahil po sa aking mga apo. So maraming salamat inaanak sa pag-invite sa aking pagbati sa iyong ninang na si Ma'am Chrising Baking Girl. Maraming salamat po.
Hi everyone! I'm here tonight. Binabati ko ang taga Philippines, Taiwan, saan pa? Hong Kong, UK, sa lahat ng OFW. Ayan, meron tayong i-greet ngayon. Isa sa mahalaga sa aking heart. Ayan, happy 35th wedding anniversary sa inyo po, Uncle Nigel and Ate Crazy Baking Girl. Ayan, thank you so much. Syempre, I adore you and idol ko kayo sa power couple, sa pagiging power couple. Isa talaga kayo sa hinahangaan ko kasi the love is always there. Hindi ko alam kung tama yun. Wish ko sa inyong dalawa more life to count na magkasama pa kayo, and sana wish ko makasama ko pa ulit kayo kasi hindi natin alam yung time kung kailan ako available, or sana I'm wish na sana magkita-kita pa ulit at magkasama-sama pa ulit tayo. Sobrang miss ko na. Ayan, thank you so much for everything. I love you and God bless you always. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hello, hi, this is Romel, Arbic TV po. Happy 34th anniversary po sa mami po namin at kay Angel. Yun.
Hi guys, so magandang hapon po. So pauwi na po tayo, alas 5 na po. So kanina pa tayo na-duty na maling araw. Ayan. So ngayon guys, meron tayong nami-miss. Siyempre isa yan sa importante sa aking buhay, o isa din po yan sa nakakatulong talaga po sa akin. So ayan po, binabati ko ng and happy dahil sa inyong binabati ko ng happy 35 wedding anniversary Daddy Nigel and Mommy Chrissy Baking Girl. Yan, so Mommy and Daddy, wish ko lang ay naging manalig po sa taas. Mananalangin po na sana po ay bigyan pa kayo ng long life and saka malusog na pangangatawan at matatag na pagsasama. Yan, Mommy and Daddy, and maraming salamat din po sa inyong tulong po sa akin. Hindi ko yan makakalimutan habang buhay. Yan, so Mommy and Daddy, yan, once again, happy 35 wedding anniversary and happy for you both. Yan, so napaingis ako nun you both. Yan, so Mommy and Daddy, and congratulations again, and maraming salamat, and God bless always. Bye-bye. Ayoko na umiyak. Bye-bye.
Hello po, Mommy Crazy and Uncle Nigel. Binabati ko po kayo ng happy 35th wedding anniversary. Grabe, sobrang tagal na po ng relationship ninyo. And sobrang idol ko po kayo kasi talagang going strong po kayo. And sa lahat ng mga adventures, palagi po kayong magkasama, palagi po kayong masaya. So, ayun lang naman po yung wish ko po sa inyo na always po kayong maging happy sa buhay po natin kasi yung binigay na buhay natin is dapat maging masaya tayo. So, ayun po, grabe no, yung shared moments nyo together. Nawa mas marami pa po kayong adventures and nawa po na pagpalain pa ni Lord yung relationship po ninyo and make God the center of your relationship po always, and nawa gabayan kayo ni Lord sa lahat po ng inyong mga ginagawa, and thank you always for being so generous po sa Team Gapangan, and hopefully makakabalik na rin ako soon sa aking YouTube. Makakagawa ako ng bago, and I'm positive and excited na ako makapiling kayong lahat. And super thank you, and I love you po always, Mommy Crazy, Uncle Nigel, and everyone in the team. So ayun po, maraming salamat po.
Hello guys, to this video may babatiin lang po ako magsi-celebrate ng kanilang wedding anniversary. Walang iba kundi si Ate Arlene and Uncle Nigel Phillips. Happy 35 wedding anniversary. Ate and Uncle, thank you so much sa suporta nyo sa aking channel. Yun lang po, maraming salamat. I love you.
Yo, what's up? Papa Jason at welcome dito sa ating panibagong video. So for today's video mga ka-WhatsApp ay meron lang tayong babatiin dahil today, yes, ngayong araw ay mga ka-WhatsApp ay meron nagsi-celebrate na isa sa mga pinakamahalagang araw sa kanilang pagsasama. It means sa mag-asawa, walang iba kundi ang kanilang anniversary. So pinabati ko po pala ng happy 35th anniversary sila Ate Chrissy Vegan Girl at Uncle Nigel. So ayan po, marami pang anniversary na dumating para sa inyo. At more explore, more adventure sa inyong dalawa. Ay syempre, gabayan kayo ng ating Panginoon at pagkalooban ng malakas at malusog na pangangatawan. Syempre, ingat po kayo palagi at alam ko kung may ramay celebration, alam ko may enjoy nyo. So yun lang po, and once again, maraming salamat po palagi. So yun lang po, once again, happy 35th anniversary po sa inyo, Ate Christy Vegan Girl and Uncle Nigel. So yun lang mga ka-WhatsApp, this is Papa Jason A. What's up, yeah, let's go! Brr!
Hello, Uncle, Ate Crazy, happy anniversary! And more years to celebrate pa, and keep the love burning! Happy anniversary!
Hello everyone! Good evening from Paris with Love. Ayun, ngayong gabi, meron po akong babatiin na magse-celebrate ng kanilang 35th wedding anniversary. Ayan. Grabe, ang tagal na nila, di ba? So, napatunayan lang talaga nila na sa mundo ng pag-ibig ay meron pa rin forever. Ayan. At sa pundasyon na tinatag nila sa kanilang pag-iibigan at pagsasamahan, ayan, nananatili pa rin silang matibay at matatag yung kanilang pagsasamahan at pagmamahalan. Ayan, mas pinili nila na magmahal sa bawat isa na hanggang sa dulo. Ayan. So, gusto ko lang pong batiin ng happy wedding anniversary. Ayan, happy anniversary to people who mean so much to me. Your love, respect, and support for each other is truly inspiring to us. Ayan, wishing you a lifetime of happiness and health together. Ayan, to my dear Mami Crazy Baking Girl and my dear Tatay Nigel. Ayan, happy wedding anniversary po. Ayan, cheers for the love, 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 love. Ayan,
Yo, shout out guys. Ayan, may babati lang tayo na ngayon celebrate sa kanilang 35 anniversary. Si Crazy Baking Girl at si Uncle Nigel. Ayan, happy anniversary sa inyo. Happy 35 anniversary sa inyong dalawa, Marikay. Saka Uncle, sana'y bigyan pa kayo ng mahabang buhay ni God na magkasama. At maraming salamat sa mga tulong at sa mga natulungan nyo. Ito lang, happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Ingat kayo palagi. Bye-bye!
Hi guys! Happy New Year, Team Gapangan! So for today's video, I would like to greet a happy wedding anniversary to Mami Lud's Crazy Baking Girl and Uncle Nigel. Happy anniversary for both of you, and sana po ay marami pang taon na darating sa inyo, at saka sana po ay laging nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan, ilayo sa mga sakit-sakit, at saka yun, malakas na pangangatawan po. Sana magkikita pa po tayong muli. Maraming salamat po ulit sa mga tulong niyo sa amin, at saka sa lahat. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan, at we love you guys. More blessings sa inyo. Happy anniversary once again. Salamat guys. Ingat and bye-bye.
Hi, Uncle Nigel and Sis Crazy Baking Girl. Guys, I would like to greet our couple of this year. Happy 35th anniversary to our lovely couple. Your love is a true inspiration. Cheers to another year of love, laughter, and happiness. We love you! Mwah!
Hello everyone! Ayan, nais ko namang po batiin ang ating kasamahan sa kanilang wedding anniversary. Walang iba kundi sila Uncle Nigel and Ma'am Arlene. Ayan po, happy 35th wedding anniversary po sa inyo. Sana bigyan pa po kayo ng ating pong may kapal ng marami pang taon na pagmamahalan, saya at pagsasamahan. Cheers to many more years po, and God bless always po sa inyong dalawa. Happy wedding anniversary!
Hi! Happy anniversary, Uncle Nigel and Crazy Baking Girl. It's been 35 years and you guys are still going stronger and stronger. And you guys inspire us in so many ways. And I wish you more years of love, happiness, and companionship. Continue to be blessed and continue to be a blessing to others as well. Happy anniversary!
Hello everyone, and to the amazing couple, Mom Crazy Baking Girl and Sir Nigel Philip. I just want to say happy 35th year anniversary to both of you. May your love growing stronger as I wish, and may your days filled with laughter and your journey together be just as fun as it is meaningful. Enjoy celebrating your anniversary, and I hope that I can meet you soon. Bye-bye! Saranghi!
Hello guys! This is Belle's channel. May babati lang po tayo ngayong araw na ito. Happy anniversary, Ma'am Crazy Baking Girl and Uncle Nigel. God bless you always, at thank you po sa mga suporta na binibigay niyo sa amin. At sana all 35 years. Wow! Sana all nakaingit naman. So anyways, happy anniversary po, at enjoy your day. God bless, and more power sa inyong pagsasama. Wish you po. Bye-bye.
Everyone, may shoutout sa lahat. So ngayong araw to, ngayon tayong babatiin ngayon ng 35 years wedding anniversary. Walang iba kundi si Mommy and Daddy ko. Mommy Crazy Bikinger and Daddy Nigel Phillips. Ayun, ako'y malugod na babati sa inyong mami ng happy 35 years wedding anniversary sa inyong wedding. Sana lalo pang tumibay at masaya sa inyong pagsasama. And congrats, sana all. Mapasana all lang ako kasi umabot kayo ng ganito katagal, no? Sana all lang talaga kasi 35 years na. Kahit ako, baka 25 lang. Masaya na ako sa mga ganyan eh. So, mami, sana enjoy mo yung life. Daddy, enjoy mo lang yung pagsasama nyo ng masaya. Lagi. Salamat sa lahat ng lahat. Alam nyo na yon kung ano yon. And gusto ko lang kayo batiin ng happy wedding anniversary sa inyong 35 years. Sana all talaga. God bless you and laging masaya lagi sa inyong pagsasama and laging good health. God bless you always. Bye-bye. Love you all both. Bye-bye.
Happy 35th wedding anniversary po, Ate Arlene and Uncle Nigel. Wishing you both that your days be filled with love, joy, and happiness. God bless po. Love, love.
Happy 35th wedding anniversary, Ate Arlene and Uncle Nigel. So wish you all more success of loving and caring for years. Ang hirap mag-English, grabe. So, ayun, Ate Arlene, I'm so happy kasi nakilala nga kita and also Uncle Nigel, and we know naman how you both generous pagdating sa not only sa Team Gapangan, di ba? Sa lahat ng mga members and syempre sa ibang tao rin. Kaya I'm so lucky and I'm so grateful na na-meet nga kita. Though hindi pa personally, pero nagkakatawagan tayo, nagkakausap tayo. So maraming salamat. Ang wish ko pa sa marami nyo pang pagsasamahan, sana humaba pa hanggang maging 100 years. Alam mo yon, ang inyong pagsamahan, Uncle Nigel and Ate Arlene. And God bless you more and good health lagi, both of you. We love you and I love you also. Bye!
Hi everyone!
Yeah, hi everybody!
We would like to say thank you very much for the love and support and to all your greetings for our 35 years anniversary. We actually appreciate that. Uncle Nigel?
Yes, very much appreciate everybody concerned who's sending some wonderful words and really like them. And it's just only 35 years. It's only just around the corner. So we'll look forward to the next 5 and we're going to have another one.
Yes, 40 years? 50
Yeah,
years?
why not?
Okay guys, thank you very much. We love you.
Love everybody.